5 reasons why you should eat an entire avocado every day. Avocado, also known as an alligator pear. It contains more than 70% water. Avocados are our most valuable source of organic fat, which accounts for 20% of its ingredients. It is rich in minerals, and it can only be eaten when it is ripe. Then it is very tasty and has a thickness of butter. Syrup can be used instead of butter. Avocados are a wonderful life-giving food and should be eaten on every occasion. Salads can be used in a number of ways, diagonally cut or cut into circles, but can be made and sprinkled from above. Also, it can prepare a cream from it and add lemon juice, garlic and the like. It can also be used as a sauce in any salad of fruits and vegetables. These are the 5 reasons why you should eat avocado every day. Better liver and gallbladder activity. Hydroxyproline participates in the liver and gallbladder activity, in the dissolution of fats and in the fight against their aging. In addition, he participates in the development of hematin and globulin in red blood cells. Removal of waste matter. Phenylalanine participates in the removal of waste matter, food waste, as well as spent cells and tissues in the body. It helps the kidney and bladder function. Bones, teeth, and skin. Avocado contains oxygen. The oxygen helps regenerate bone tissue and rejuvenates the skin. Iron deficiency. Avocado has a great amount of iron that is great for the blood, brain and the muscles. Consuming avocado daily will increase iron levels in the blood. Helps with digestion. The water contained in the avocado helps you with the digestion process and therefore helps in weight loss.